Welcome guys. In this video we can see about PUBG Mobile India launch date, new features, countries where the game was unbanned. Do like, share and subscribe. Give your valuable feedback on comment section. Let's get into the video. PUBG Mobile is without doubt one of the most popular mobile video games in the world. And it was hugely popular in India too, until the mobile game was banned by the Indian government in September. The Indian government had banned the game under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, saying that PUBG Mobile app was engaged in activities that are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of the country. It is to be noted that India is not the only country that banned PUBG Mobile as the multiplayer mobile game. Multiplayer mobile games was banned in several countries due to various reasons. However, PUBG Mobile is now unbanned in several countries and now PUBG Corporation is making efforts to relaunch the mobile game to India. And PUBG was recently unbanned in China, Pakistan, Korea and Nepal. But in India, PUBG Corporation has snapped ties with Tencent Games in order to launch PUBG Mobile India. The company has also registered a subsidiary in India and has announced to invest $100 million in India. However, PUBG Corporation is still waiting for permission from the center to launch PUBG Mobile India. And many RTI applications have been filed with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. They're seeking information about the status of launch of PUBG Mobile India. The ministry responded to RTI saying that the app will be checked by the center before giving any permission for relaunch. According to sources, if PUBG Mobile India will be found following all of the Indian government's rules and regulations, the center may give permission to relaunch the game in the country. The Indian version of the game has been set up as a virtual training ground. And it will feature the following changes. First, default character clothing. All the characters in the game will begin fully clothed by default. And the second, green hit effect. In the global and the Korean version of the game, players have an option to select and change the color of the hit effect and damage effect. However, as per the press release, the Indian version of the game will be locked to green, which will indicate the virtual nature of the game. And the third feature to limit the play time. In the press release, PUBG Corporation also disclosed that PUBG Mobile India would have a feature that would limit the playtime to ensure healthy gaming habits amongst the younger audience. There has been positive progress made on this front, and PUBG India has been set up as a private limited company. The company also revealed its plans of investing $100 million in the country, which will contribute to the development of related industries in the country. Also, as per the press release, they plan to host an exclusive esports league for the Indian region. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video guys. Bye.